Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blue Bird LS PTO 30,000 log splitter offers a cutting capacity of up to 110 centimeters, allowing for working with large logs without the need to cut them into smaller pieces before splitting. This improves workflow and reduces manual labor. With a thrust force of 30 tons, the LS PTO 30,000 model is one of the most powerful log splitters of its kind. This power is crucial for splitting hard or large-sized wood, providing reliable performance. It can handle logs up to 400 millimeters in diameter, making it versatile for various types of wood. Another feature of the model is the pivoting wheel at the rear, which makes it easier to move and position the log splitter. This is advantageous in both open spaces and more confined areas, facilitating transport and maneuverability. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.